He was no hero, never slayed a dragon, never fought a war. He let cancer defeat him, and he died last summer. I don't even remember his last words. He left me a diary full of letters. I never thought his words would change my life, but they did. And maybe they'll change yours too. My dear little sister, if I'm gone, I pray these words will guide you. I will answer your questions about Islam in my memories. Read them well. I'll always be with you. Love, your stepbrother.
Freaking terrorist, go back where you came from.
Excuse me? Who said that?
Let's get the whip, let's get the whip.
If national security isn't there, who's gonna protect us from you terrorists, huh?
What terrorist? Bro, I'm an American. I would go back to my own country, but I'm already in it.
So what happened on 9/11, huh?
9/11? Nothing right happened on 9/11.
Now I ask myself, what was I so ashamed of?
Hey, aren't you Muslim?
Yeah. But can I copy your homework? Ms. Jones is gonna freak if she finds out.
Sure.
Thanks.
What is wrong with her?
Damn, Muslim these days.
They gotta lay off the hookah.
Yo, we gotta be out.
Yo, let's just be out.
Abdul! Assalamualaikum.
What's up, man?
Bro, what was that? I thought you were backing me up.
What are you talking about?
All that rubbish you're talking about Islam. You know, as Muslims, we gotta help each other out there.
All of that? You shouldn't be worried about that. It's not that serious. Like,
What
a
do you
lot of
mean?
people do that. I mean, you should just get used to it. You know what I mean?
I told him straight, why so serious? The more serious we are, the more they'll blame us. I'd rather be a victim than be the accused. It was pitiful how I watched but did nothing.
Bro, I'm so bored.
Yo, let's go find some terrorists.
How I was so scared of a couple of words. No, how I was so scared of fear itself.
Yo, I am so sick of this.
I hate why does he get into this? Yo, terrorists!
Yo, go back to your country, bro.
We're gonna deactivate that bomb, my friend?
What seems to be the matter, guys?
Oh, you think we're stupid?
I just think everyone has, you know, the option of doing
right.
it.
Yeah.
You know,
Yo, no, you're a terrorist. You're gonna blow everyone else up.
I think you're
You're
generalizing
gonna
too
go to
much. If you think all Muslims are terrorists,
Whoa. What?
it's a bit exaggerated.
What are you talking about, man? What are you talking about?
I think it's a bit exaggerated, guys.
Yo, forget this. Forget this. Go, guys.
He wasn't afraid. He knew what he believed in. I wanted to believe him too.
Yo, look at those other carpets. Get out. Why are you even here?
Why are you here, terrorist?
You see this? It's A for American. You don't belong here.
It's too late for me to do anything. I have a reputation, a name. I can't afford to be so sensitive. I can't go back to Islam now, can I? Why is it that I am so scared?
Mom, you never come to Mama's Day. Why didn't you come today?
I don't know. I'm not really that religious.
We're all Muslims in here. Come on.
Yo, terrorist.
Like he said. Yo, run!
Get out.
Am I afraid of the pain? Why am I so afraid of something so temporary? Why don't I too have the courage to be who I am? Why do I have to hide it?
Hey, you alright there, bro?
What's up?
Need some help? So, why did Don't do.
Because I was Muslim.
Well, you know, you always have a one on your side, man. I gotta go play for each other. Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Always have Allah on your side, he told me. Now I know. I just want the courage to return to Islam.
Hey, buddy! What's it? I want to talk to you, man. Want to know what the difference is between a Jew and a pizza? No. The pizza don't scream in the oven. It's off me.
Hey, what's going on here?
You know, we're just playing with that Jewish bread.
You're gonna punch him because he's Jewish? You might as well punch me because I'm Muslim.
What is terrorism and what is Islam? What is fear and what is subjugation? Who are Muslims and who are Americans? Is there even a difference? No, I don't think that there is. No one knew that my brother was a hero. He slayed the mightiest dragon of all, the evil inside him, and Islam gave him strength. I finally remember his last words. La ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. My dear brother, you're gone, but I've found your Islam. Thank you.